they show a monotonic date and time, a baseband date and time, and a display date and time within the power log records. As an examiner, it's really good to see this data and understand how the tool is determining these values. As an examiner, it would be really bad to look at these values and think that they are accurate timestamps at face value, because they aren't. And I'll start to talk through how this information works. So the other thing that Axiom shows, as well as the monotonic baseband and display times, is they show the location where this information came from. In this case, we have two tables. One is called PL Springboard Agent Event Forward S Block. And that is what this table is here. And you can see we've got an ID number, a timestamp, and a value of locked. But we also show a second table that's involved called PL Storage Operator Event Forward Time Offset. And that's this table at the bottom here. So again, we see there's an ID, a timestamp, baseband, kernel, and system values. These values all need to be read together in order to make sense of the data. So for example, if I take the timestamp that's shown here, the 1643 33687 number, if you treat that as number of seconds since the 1st of January 1970, it's what we call a Unix epoch. That will get you the timestamp of 29th of January 2022 at midnight, 21 minutes and 27 seconds, once you account for the UTC -5 offset. And you'll see that that is the same timestamp that Axiom shows here as the monotonic time, 12/21/27. What we need to then do is take that monotonic time and add it to the baseband value that we see in the time offset table. So now we have a value of 1643 3687.14954, and we add minus 183 point whatever this number is here to get this value. If we treat this value as number of seconds since the 1st of January 1970, then we get a time of 18 minutes and 23 seconds past midnight on January 29th, which is also the time that we show here as the baseband time. Finally, we can take the monotonic time and add the minus 181 seconds shown in the system to get this value, which equates to 18 minutes and 25 seconds past midnight on the 29th of January, which is the same as the display time up here. So all this is essentially doing is saying that the counter that is built into the iPhone is registered the time of that we see in the top, the monotonic time. This is not necessarily the time that the event happened.